Hello everyone, welcome to the CodeVerse. In previous video, we have learned about what is JVM and why we need it. In this video, we will be learning about Java Development Kit and Java Runtime Environment. So let's understand this with the help of analogy. Consider our hotel named CodeVerse. We have an excellent chef who can make a delicious food for us. It is just a matter of time when user gives an order and then chef will execute it and create a delicious food for that customer. But chef needs some tools like gas, knife, etc. for making a food. So we have prepared a kitchen for a chef which contains various tools used for cooking. Now once food gets created, we need to serve this food in our hotel which has a multiple waiters and beautiful view where user can sit and enjoy the food. So our cook is a JVM which executes an order for us. Whenever Java wants to execute its new program, JVM will execute it. But JVM needs some tools to execute that program like libraries for a Java program and some other files also. So JVM plus libraries plus other files is called as Java Runtime Environment, that is JRE. JRE is same as a kitchen we define for our cook which has a libraries and files available for development. Apart from JRE, what we need is compiler and other development tools for running a Java program. So JRE plus development tool like Java compiler is called as a Java Development Kit, that is JDK. JDK has everything which we required to write and execute a program in Java. JDK is similar to our entire hotel which has a kitchen and chef inside it. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.